Hello there, this is Mahabub from Bluewind Lab, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily translate our Reddrop Buddies WordPress theme in your own language. So in order to do that, you need to install a Poedit software in your computer. So I'm now in Windows platform, so I'm going to install that in my computer. So once you download the file, you just follow the download installation process. Using pick install next. To close this. It will not take more than 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to open the software. And there it is. So we are going to use that software later. Let's check the process of translating the theme into a different language. And for this tutorial, I'm going to translate my theme into Dutch language. So first thing I have to do is to select the Dutch language and click the Save Changes button. This thing will activate your theme into for the Dutch language. So as you can see, the Dutch language has been activated successfully, and you can see the changes in here. Now we need to go to the theme folder. For instance, go to themes, then Reddrop Buddies, then go to language folder, and you will get a reddrop-buddies.pot file. Copy that file. Copy that file and rename it de_de. Now open that file using your Poedit software. For the test purpose, I'm going to translate a text to show you how you can translate for your site. Okay. So take this and create a new translation. Dutch, select Dutch from here. Okay. Save the file. Now you need to rename the file into de_de. Save it. And I'm going to translate that file into, copy that text, folder comments. Now for the test purpose, I'm going to translate, and if you can check, you will see that translate Dutch will display in here. Okay, so if I check the folder one more time, I can see there will be two more files called de_de.mo. That file actually contains the translated text. So let's check our page, and we expect to older comment. Okay, so let's do one more time. Previous post, find the previous post, there we are. Previous post, I'm going to set a de tag before previous post. So if I refresh the page right now, you can see there we are, and it's working. So that is a very simple process that you can translate the theme into any kind of language you would like to translate. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you need more help. Thank you.